Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is take two because on my other shot I was rocking like this back and forth and it was really distracting. But as you guys can tell by the thumbnail, I have a new toy to show you guys and I'll tell you exactly what it is in a second. But first we got to go over a few things and I promise I'll make it quick. A couple of weeks ago I decided that I was actually going to start taking YouTube seriously, and I made a goal to myself that I would post videos every single week on Tuesday. Now I broke that goal, I messed up. I feel bad because I promised you guys that I would post this video last week and I didn't. But here it is, better late than never. I freed up some time in my schedule just for YouTube so that I can make videos week in and week out. So I hope you forgive me. I appreciate every single one of you that has clicked on this video, and I promise next week there will be a video. I promise. So with that being said, I've told you guys I'd keep it short. I just want to apologize for not posting last week, but I'm going to try and make this video an absolute banger, boys. I told you guys there was a new machine coming. This is my daily driver. It's a 2006 Acura MDX. This is my 2006 Acura MDX that has actually been in my family for the past 15 years. My mom and dad picked this car up from the Honda dealership in 2006 and since then have put 287,000 miles on this car. Now I know what you're thinking.
Ryan, is this not your car? Is this not your new daily driver?
And the answer to that is it is my new daily driver, but we got to go over some things and the specifics and how I kind of got this car. So about 6 months ago, this car was really failing. The air conditioning is gone, which where I live is kind of important because it's really hot here. It's a leaking oil. There's literally a whole page of problems wrong with this car. I mean, it has almost 300,000 miles on it. So about 6 months ago, give or take, my parents have been looking for a new car. And as you guys know, my mom picked up that Audi Q8. So the story is, while they were searching, I asked them if I could possibly take that car after they're done with it and use it as a daily, because my car is heavily modified and I'm going to continue to modify it. And it's just not the greatest to drive every single day. The suspension's stiff. It's low as crap. I scrape on everything. And to be honest, this car right here would be perfect. This car is only worth about, give or take, $1,000 to $2,000. So I asked them if I could have the car. They could still drive it too. My dad still drives it every single day. But if I could take it, fix it, and try and restore it to its original state, it'd be worth to me and to them too, because they could still drive it, more than $1,000 to $2,000. So that's what I did. My mom got the new Audi a couple months ago, and ever since then, it's kind of been mine. My dad honestly drives it more than I do, but I really haven't had time to work on it and fix it, but that's the plan. It's always busy in the late months for us videographers and editors, so I really haven't had time to work on it. But once I get some free time, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna restore this thing to its original state like it came off the showroom for. And that is gonna be a huge challenge, and I'll go over that right now. This car is, I mean, you can just tell, like, look, rust, scratches everywhere, fogged headlights. Honestly, the interior is the worst part. Owning a car for 15 years, and me and my brother were real little, almost babies when we got this car, it's gonna go through some stuff. But as far as engine and transmission go, the car is almost perfect. There's never been a major flaw with this car other than small stuff, like I said, the air conditioning's out. The biggest problem right now is the fact that it leaks oil, and I know exactly where it leaks oil from, so we can go back and replace the seal there. But for now, we just keep filling it up with oil every time it gets low. But as long as the exterior goes, it's just real gross and lots of dings and stuff, and I'm probably not gonna paint it because that's a little overboard. I might spray paint it. How about that? We'll spray paint it. But let's hop inside and I'll show you guys kind of what it's like in here. So here we are, throwback to 2006 right here. I got the keys. Still starts up super easy. See if I can zoom in there. 287,618 miles. That's crazy for a car that's had literally no problems. This car was completely functioning and had air conditioning up until a couple months ago. There's somehow honey mustard stains on the headliner. There's random stains all over the car. My brother decided it was a good idea to write his name on this pillar right here. There is rips in the leather, but that's not a huge deal. When you're driving it, you can pretty much turn the steering wheel like this and it'll keep going straight. But overall, everything still works. It still drives fine. With a little bit of TLC, I think we can get this car back in its mint condition. This thing's loaded out too. It's got the Bose stereo system. So guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and end out this video. I kind of went over what the car is, its problems, did a pretty cool edit of it. Hope you guys enjoyed that. But I got to get back home and I do want to fix this thing. So if you guys want to follow along, I'm thinking about making like a build series, not really build, but a fix series, I guess. It's always fun when you're working on cars with you and your buddies. So I'll probably strap a GoPro on and record all the crazy stuff we do. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing because I'm trying to post every single week. I appreciate every single one of you that watching my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.